On BrainLife, every project has an archive where the data for that project are stored. You can add data to a project's archive using one of the 4 different ways shown here, or using the command line interface. This video will demonstrate how to upload data to BrainLife using each of these 4 methods. First, if your data are in Nifty format, or in another BrainLife compatible format, you can upload your data directly from your computer via the web user interface. To do this, simply click on Upload Data, and you'll be taken to a data upload interface where you will need to indicate what type of data you'd like to upload, as well as other important information. Here is an example of uploading a T1 anatomical image. Tell BrainLife that you are uploading an ANAT T1 data type. Then you'll search for it on your computer, and wait for it to upload. Once it's uploaded, you can then enter the subject ID number. And if you have a tag that you'd like to add to the dataset, you can do that here, but I won't add a tag to this particular dataset. Then you'll click Next, and the data will begin to upload. It'll show you the final image here, and you can check the provenance to see that indeed it was uploaded, and you can look at some of the metadata. You can also take a look at the data that you uploaded to ensure its quality. And all of the data are now in the archive. So that's the first way to get data on BrainLife. You just upload it directly to the project. The other way is by, if you have DICOM images, you can upload your data using EasyBids, an online DICOM to bids conversion and organizing tool. And to learn more about EasyBids, go to brainlife.io/EasyBids and watch this excellent tutorial here. And third, if the data that you would like to analyze are already available on BrainLife, but in a different project's archive, you can copy the data directly from the project's archive to your current archive. So here I am in example project 2. It has a different data set here, but I'd like to move this over to my example project, so I'll just select all of these data that I would like, click copy, and I will select the project to which I would like the data to go. In this case, it would be my example project. Submit. And just like that, all of that data are now available in my example project. And finally, for the fourth method, if the data you would like to analyze are already publicly available, you can import the entire dataset from the datasets page. So to do this, you would click on datasets in the left-hand column, as I just did, to display all of the datasets that are provided on BrainLife. These include datasets that are published on OpenNeuro and other data sources made available by DataLad. As you can see, there are many. So you would simply select the dataset that you would like to copy to your project and click Import. Select the data types from that archive that you'd like to bring in, and tell BrainLife that you would like to import to an existing project, and of course select the project to which you would like the data to go, again my example project, and click OK. And very quickly, often in a matter of seconds, depending on how large the data set is, the entire data set will be available in your archive. I think this should take maybe just a second more or so. Yep, so now all of that data are available in my example project here, all 33 subjects from that data set. So here they are in my project, ready to be processed using the Preprocess, Pipeline, and Analysis tabs, and eventually to be published in the Publication tab. This video has introduced you to 4 methods of uploading data to BrainLife. First, using the upload interface. Second, using EasyBids. Third, copying data from another BrainLife project. And fourth, copying data from a publicly available data repository. Remember, you can also upload data in bulk using the command line interface that will be described in a different tutorial video.